All right. 11:15 trade idea. So this is gonna be for the trading session of 11:15 to 11:16. Okay, so let's do a recap. Tuesday session, nagkaroon ng news or report PPI, core PPI for the US currency or the US in general. Next report to watch out for is 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 9:30 p.m. Philippine time is Canada CPI and then USD core retail sales. So, 11:14 trade idea, ang na-trigger is yung BTC short. Okay, 15-minute BTC short. This is that area. So, at some point, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, nagkaroon ng reporting and as you can see, mukhang hinatid lang doon sa area na yun yung price and then it dropped. Okay? At some point during the day, intraday, I sent out a chat na sinasabi to change the target from 16,850 to 16,900. That's more of a tactical, that's more of a conservative target, which is nice. It's more than a one-to-one trade. So why not? Also, it keeps us safe from bounce back up na katulad ng ginawa nito, which is that's what I was expecting at that time. Hindi ko ini-expect na i-break niya yung area na yon, or actually ang ini-expect ko is that's the opposition nung trade idea. Wala pa yan noon nung sinend ko yung idea na yan. Pero the moment na nakita ko yan, I sent out an update. Just being nice. Pero at the end of the day, anyone who took this trade definitely made some money. Congratulations. Ethereum trade idea never happened or it was never triggered. Medyo mataas pa yung Ethereum trade idea. Yes, it is high, pero as I mentioned, I don't see reason for shorting Ethereum still. And even now, I'm not seeing any reason for shorting Ethereum. The reason behind that is because meron siyang daily time frame uptrend na pwedeng i-honor. So that's a sneaky uptrend na hindi makikita intermediately. So yung mga boxes, just don't pay attention to that. That's analysis for na requested and I went through them. Ito yung tingin ko sa market. So I illustrate yung mga boxes na yan. Pero at the end of the day, 11:14 trade idea for BNB has not changed. Okay, has not changed. 314 as far as a short order entry, 314.5, sabihin na natin ganon. And then 3.35 as a stop. So somewhere around this box is a shorting idea from what I can tell. Okay, if anything closer, this is turning out to be nice. Okay, this area right here just above 300. So that's nice. Nasa round number siya. Meaning it's potentially a bounce after ma-breach yung 300. And then it's gonna bring the market back down into the range that it's forming now. So if we're looking for trade ideas near term, when I say, so ito yung kailangan nating linawin. For me, personally, perception-wise, ang swing trade is mag-entry ka today and your exit will probably be tomorrow, or it could be weeks, it could be months. It's up to you. It depends on the target. That's why I keep to lower time frames. I try and make the ideas as much as possible an hourly income or an intraday trade. Now let's talk about BTC. New idea short. Okay. For the long idea, I still like this area. So hindi ko babaguhin yung long idea at that time at this nung 11:14 for BTC. Okay, and still I'm saying that take this as confirmation trade. There's no sense for to be waiting on a trade for Bitcoin, like magli-limit order ka. Depende sa trade plan mo. For me personally, hindi ko gusto ang movement ni BTC. It's more of a favorable downside for BTC pag tinitingnan ko siya. The more I look at it, the more I see na mababreak niya yung support. Pero again, I could be wrong. We're gonna wait for the market to show us kung anong kailangan niya ipakita. Let's go for trade ideas, lower time frame. We're in a new session. So sa mga makakuha nito, breakout trade. Okay, breakout. Tapos na pala. Sorry. This is the breakout trade for this session. Tapos na yan. So, let's look at the current events na ginawa niya. Low of the session, high of the session from 11:14 to 11:15. So, previous session. Let's just put it at that kasi nagko-combine yung dalawa eh. Saan ako maghahanap ng trade? Doesn't look clean sa 15 minutes. So, I'll go with the 5-minute time frame. I would take this as an entry definitely, as a trap setting. So this is the first area. This would be a second area sa taas niya. Let's see if we can clean this into a better area. Maybe a 15. So it's 15 minute, I would combine this. I would just take a zone entry dito sa area na to. So 16,398 as an entry, stop loss at 16,327.7, somewhere around that. So that's the buy idea for BTC. No new shorting idea. This looks interesting up here, right here. Pero hindi ko siya gusto in a sense na na-weak na siya, and also matagal yung ginawa niya dito. So merong balance na nangyari dito. I'm not sure if there's enough movement na mangyayari afterwards for a short. I would say this would be a better short. Most likely magkakaroon pa ng bounce dyan for a quick 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1 trade. We'll see. So I forgot about targets. Okay, let's put targets. Target 1 for this buying idea would be 16,500. Target 2 would be around 16,600. So target 1 around 16,500. Target 2 currently it's showing me around 16,750. 16,730. Okay, target 1 for the short would be 17,350. Okay, round up, nagra-round na ako dun. It's just a lot easier. Target 2 would be somewhere 17, 18, 20 or 17, 180. All right. So next, trade ideas for Ethereum. As I mentioned, there's no new idea forming for Ethereum. Kasi wala naman siyang ginawa this session. It just stayed in its range. It created the range. If anything, we could have done a short here, pero tapos na yan. So I'm not looking at that at this point. Kasi itong nakikita ko dito, it looks like a triple top. Okay? So ang triple top, it just means na may wall of selling doon noon. 3 beses na siya nagamit. So hindi ko na siya nagugustuhan tignan. All right, I'm keeping to this buying section right here. If anything, nearest term buying, 5-minute time frame, looks like it's the same para sa Ethereum right here. Pero there's really nothing, there's really no reason for us to buy here. Kasi itong movement na to wala siyang ginawa. It just played inside this range. Kailangan ko makakita ng breakout dito sa range na to for me to have a better sense of what does Ethereum want to do. Again, I'm biased into Ethereum breaking out upside. Ang gusto kong makita is actually for Ethereum to honor its uptrend and to break up above 2030. If it doesn't do that, I'm fine. Basta alam ko lang kung ano yung mga next ideas. And the idea kay Ethereum, this looks good to buy, pero it's not really a perfect idea. I'm not in love with that idea. So, hindi ko gagawin yon. Shorting, this range actually will play into this short. This is what I'm thinking. Again, my idea is my idea alone. If you want to do this trade, then it's up to you as an individual, as a trader. Short entry, 1321.25. Stop loss would be 1333.35. Okay, first target. Let's go 1310. Let's go second target 1295. And then if you want to buy this, I would just say be careful, be very careful about this. This is very aggressive. First target at 1240, 69 or 1240. Sabihin na natin, close na yun. And then second target at 1266 if you want to buy this. Not recommending this one. Pero it's still there. There's definitely some bouncing. There's definitely some buying going on around this area. BNB, makulit pa na si BNB, so hayaan na lang natin yung current buy situation natin sa 2-hour time frame, which is lower, a lot lower to 45.01. And then if we're going aggressive, we have a 15-minute buying idea right here at 269.05, stop loss at 267.34 or 35. First target, this is actually nice as far as potential for profit. So I can't say no to this. Maganda rin yung ginawa niya. So this all of this buying, it started here. Or actually it's a reaction. It's more of a reaction somewhere here. So dito siya. Nagkaroon siya ng reaction dito. Okay, nagkaroon siya ng reaction dyan and it kept that buying. It did another turn. So I like the lower area pero this is something I would take as confirmation. So ang confirmation trade is simple. It goes inside first before ka mag-start na mag-entry for a stop market. You're not doing a limit order, you're doing a stop market. That's for my trade plan. Kung hindi ganun ang trade plan nyo, if you want to take it as a limit order, it's up to you. Kung wala kayong trade plan, bakit wala kayong trade plan? So just think about that. So this is now the current session. Thank you very much. Please keep on viewing the videos para so we can keep on going. For the videos to make sense. Do share, do like, do subscribe. Thank you very much. Green trades to you guys.